Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a walkthrough on how you can start earning money with Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. Even if you're completely new to Warrior Plus, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to create an account, find high converting offers to promote, and then get your affiliate link, withdraw earnings, and some additional pro tips to boost your commissions right from the start. So now you might be wondering, what exactly is Warrior Plus? And in short, it's a massive affiliate network with thousands of digital offers across many different niches that you can promote in exchange for very generous commissions. Some of their top offers convert extremely well, meaning you can earn incredibly high payouts per referral when you send traffic to them. To get started, you first want to access the Warrior Plus platform, which you can do by going to warriorplus.com directly or searching for it on Google. When you land on their homepage, it honestly doesn't explain much about what Warrior Plus actually is. You mostly see some vague corporate jargon that isn't really very helpful. This is because the real magic happens inside the affiliate dashboard after you sign up, which I'm going to be showing you in just a minute. So to create your free Warrior Plus affiliate account, look for the blue free sign up button and then click on it. On the registration form, you'll need to enter your email address twice to confirm it, along with choosing a password and a username. Pretty straightforward. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to, because Warrior Plus will send you a verification link to confirm and activate your new account. Once you've completed the sign up process and confirmed your email, you can then immediately log into your Warrior Plus affiliate dashboard. When you first log in, you'll land on the overview dashboard page. This displays key stats like the top converting offers and products for today, yesterday, and the past 7 days, and also the past 30 days. As you scroll through, you may notice that some offers rank highly day after day or week after week. This is because these are typically the heavy hitters that convert very well for affiliates. And now if you were to click on any of the top offers shown here, it would take you to the public sales page where users can purchase it, rather than the internal affiliate platform that we want to access. So to find offers you can promote and get your affiliate link to, you first want to go to affiliate and then offers in the top menu. And here you will see they have thousands of active offers available across all different niches, from health, wealth, dating, survival, productivity, and much more. Now by default, Warrior Plus shows a semi-random sampling of available offers when you first land on this page. But there are ways to filter and sort them to find good matches. And the key metrics to pay attention to for each offer are conversion rate, refund rate, visitor value, and average sale price. To get you to be familiar with each one of these terms, I'll explain them briefly. Conversion rate shows what percentage of visitors end up completing a purchase. The higher, the better, so look for offers with a conversion rate of 5% or more. Refund rate tells you how often purchases get refunded. The ideal percentage for this one is 0%. But for this one, try to stick with offers that have a refund rate under 5% if possible. Visitor value shows how much each visitor delivers in revenue on average. Look for high visitor values like $1 or more per visitor. And then we have average sale price, which gives you a sense of the commission size that you can expect per purchase, and obviously higher is better for this one. And beyond these main metrics, Warrior Plus also shows you useful data like an offer's release date, total sales so far, and whether it has any badges or awards. So now that you know how to evaluate the potential of an offer, let's talk about how to actually request approval so that you can promote it. The process is simple. Just find an offer that you want to run ads for, click request approval, and then Warrior Plus will ask you to provide a few sentences explaining how you plan to drive traffic to the offer. So as a new affiliate, you might write something like, I'm going to be running Facebook ads targeted towards the offers niche's audience and then sending traffic to my referral link. Giving the vendor context helps them approve you faster. And once you're approved, you'll be able to access your unique affiliate link to that offer. Now, if you want to promote one of the top converting offers shown on the dashboard, you can search for them directly right here. Just copy the offer name, go back to affiliate, over offers, and then paste it in the search bar, and you should see the offer populate so you can request approval. So now, how to get approved to run any offer, but how much commission can you actually expect to earn? If you look under offer details on a given offer page, you'll see the price range such as $15, $17 or maybe $200, and the commission payout which may be $8 to $120 for example. The reason for the wide range is because Warrior Plus offers you a lot of upsells and bumps within their internal sales funnels. So essentially, someone buys the front end offer then gets upsold to more expensive packages or add-ons. This allows you as the affiliate to earn higher dollar commissions per referral. And if you scroll down on the offer details, you can actually see the full funnel map that shows each upsell opportunity and what you'll earn if buyers go for them. So in reality, you can earn way more than just promoting the main offer, since you get a percentage of everything that they purchase. Alright, so at this point you know how to find great offers and get approved to promote them, but how do you actually get paid the commissions that you earn? In the top menu, go to your username and click W plus Wallet to manage your account balance and withdrawals. You'll first need to set up a payment method like PayPal to receive your commissions. Warrior Plus pays out reliably. One thing to note is commissions take 30 days to clear before you can withdraw them to your payment account. This account hold period makes sure that no payments get clawed back if the buyer refunds. So have some patience at first, but once your commissions clear after a month, you can withdraw them instantly with just a couple of clicks. And that covers the complete process from creating your account to finding offers and getting paid. And now for some quick pro tips. First, I advise you to always promote offers with a strong conversion rate, low refund rate, and high visitor value for the first and best earning potential. Second, focus on traffic sources working well for you, whether that's paid ads, SEO, social media, etc. And third, once you have initial sales coming in, scale up your efforts rapidly to maximize your commissions. Momentum is absolutely key. I hope that this walkthrough helps you get started and succeed with Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. Let me know if you have any other questions. Just leave a comment down below and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you found this video to be informative or enjoyable to watch, let us know by leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on any useful content that we make.